What is a mastermind? Man, a mastermind is the greatest gift you could be given as a business owner. And let's dive into this. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at StratDaddy. And yeah, man. What is a mastermind? A mastermind is it's an amazing gift from God or whatever of you being able to be in a group of like-minded people who are all in a similar situation and you guys are all trying to solve the same problem and you now mastermind together, let's say of a group of 2 or a group of 25 or a group of 100 of talking about how can we solve these problems. This is what I'm running into. What are all the ideas that we're having? Let's use our collective to solve these problems. So a mastermind that I'm in called the DM family. And this is probably the most mastermindy mastermind as far as like we have a 2-day event, the last one I was at, and we sat at a table and one dude said, hey, this is what I'm trying to accomplish. And everybody at the table gave him feedback until the problem was solved. Then we moved on to the next guy. And we did that for 2 whole days. And then we networked. That's all it was. But it was powerful. Just the amount of insight you get, connections you get, and this is a mastermind full of a lot of different business owners. But yeah, a mastermind, it should be a group of like-minded people who are all striving to achieve something in any way. I'd go read the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. He talks about masterminding, I believe, at the end of the book. And so with that, a mastermind should be a group of people who are all trying to push in one direction or another. So we're in a self-storage mastermind. We're in a e-commerce and marketing mastermind. We're in a regular business mastermind. Then I have my own mastermind. And so some of them are specific. Some of them are just for business of scaling and self-development and surrounding yourself with people who are going through the same problems so you can have a community. First part is it's a group of people who are all trying to help each other solve their problems. And the next part is the group of people that's a community of people you can rely on and talk to on a consistent basis. I know for entrepreneurship, for me, entrepreneurship is lonely. Like I have a couple of friends in my area who are entrepreneurs like me. And one of them is my business partner, Kyle. One of them is my good friend, Adam Abadjan. And then I have a couple others. But besides, like you lose all your friends when you do this shit because not everybody's built to be and wants to be a psychopath entrepreneur with super inconsistent income for the first couple of years. Because in all reality, like it's hard and you're going through new things and you're constantly learning and you're constantly growing and you're pushing and you have to kill yourself in a form of like you're killing your old self to build a new one over and over and over and over again. And that gets exhausting and it's hard because you always have to be learning. And so surrounding yourself with people who are going through similar problems you can talk to about whether it's life, family, money, like all those things, right? To where I can talk to my friends about like whatever's going on in my relationship. Whatever's going on in my personal life, if it's going on in business life, hey, this business is having a problem. Whatever it is, the biggest thing for me with the mastermind is a community that will push me to do more and can help me solve all of my problems across the board and help me be a better human being. That is what I look for in masterminds, and I make sure that they are aligned with my mindset of what I'm trying to accomplish. And one of the masterminds that we're in, a lot of the people are not aligned with the way we see business and are trying to push to where they're a lot more like, hey, just get it to a point where you're happy and then go to where I'm like, no, I want to hit a minimum of like $500 million. How do I get to $500 million of net worth? Like, how do I grow this and like get that instead of just building something to where, yeah, it's good. I'm happy now. I always say this, I would melt if I ever had to stop working. Like I just melt. Like I have a hard time like chilling out to go like settling down to just play toys with my son. We have to do an activity because I'm so high strung and so like tight. Like I'm just a little bit weird that way. And so a mastermind for me is finding an amazing community that can support me, help me solve my problems in business and personally. That is what a mastermind should be for you. And if you are interested in joining a mastermind, check out the Winning Mastermind. And you know what? We'll leave a link to apply in the show notes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, leave a comment. What is the best mastermind you're in? And how do you feel about masterminds overall? Thank you guys so much.